Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is thrive. It is pronounced thrive and is spelt Thrive. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Thrive is a verb that means to grow or develop well or vigorously. It can also mean to prosper or flourish. For example, you could say, the plants thrived in the sunshine, or the business thrived under the new management. The word thrive has its origins in the Norse word which means grasp or to seize. In the film Wall-E, the little robot discovers a plant living in the desolate wasteland of Earth, giving him hope for a brighter future. Synonyms for thrive include flourish, prosper, succeed, and blossom. Antonyms for thrive include wither, decline, and struggle. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, thrive. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.